Hello everyone on the internet and welcome back to another video on my channel. I just want to say before this video starts, I'm really sorry for the lack of videos. I just got a new computer, so now it's all set up. I should be posting videos more often now. Anyway, let's get right into the video. This video, as you probably saw by the title, will teach you about selectors. Now, what is a selector? Well, selectors are things you use to select entities. And an entity is anything you can use with the summon command. So any of these. Otherwise, an entity is something that's not a block. That's not a block or a particle. It's an entity, meaning things like horses, pigs, and cows are entities. But also things like arrows and fireballs are also entities. So, anyway, let's get right to the selectors. First selector up is at S, meaning at self. You see this minecart with command block is saying minecart with command block with the /say command. See /say at S. I don't know why it says unknown command there. Yeah, so say at S, which says itself. Next one is say at P, which is the nearest player. The nearest player is, of course, me. Next is say at E, which says all entities. Now, I explained what an entity is before, so that's a better representation. And say at A, which says all the players on the server. This is a single player world, so it only says me. And say at R, which says a random player on the server. Then the next selector is an entity type. It works with at E. It works with at E, or it also works with at A, but at A isn't as effective. So, say at E type equals horse. This is what is known as a condition. The type equals horse right here. If this condition is met, it will say all entities with this condition. In this case, with the entity type of horse. So you see, it says all the horses over there, and then it says Bob, because Bob is a horse. Next is name. The name condition, which it says it's custom name. This one has a custom name of Bob, so when I activate this, it will say Bob. And then R, which stands for range. Say at R equals 3. It will say us, because me and Bob, because we're within a range of 3 of this command block. And then here is RM. Say at RM equals 10. That stands for range minimum, meaning it will say anything that's not within a range of 10 blocks of this command block. Next, it gets a little more complicated with, and these all go together, X, Y, Z, and it has to be used with the R. Basically, what this does is it specifies it will do anyone within a range of 1 of coordinates x18, y4, and z0. You see right here, I am at x18, y4, z0. I am within a range of 1 block of those coordinates. When I press this button, it says it. When I'm outside those coordinates, it doesn't say it. Look, the selector found nothing. Next is a little different, by the way, to separate conditions. I think you've already known this by now, but separate conditions, you use a comma, or else it will not work. So now the dx, dy, and dz selects a region. So it selects the areas between these two coordinates, as if you would do in the fill command. So let me get this big screen out of the way. And so it's actually, I kind of need it. So it's between coordinates 24, 0 and 0, 4, 0. Between those two coordinates. So even if I'm standing right over here, it will still detect me. Oh, well. What? There we go. I don't know why it wasn't working there, but... Anyway, let's carry on. Yeah, let's carry on. The next one requires me to be in survival mode for display. And it's level. Say at A, so at A, all players with a level of 3. Now that's not referring to any other level except experience levels. If I give myself 1 level, it detects me. I give myself 2 levels, it detects me. If I give myself 3 levels, it also detects me. Now this is level minimum, meaning the minimum level that is needed is 3. So if I try to do the same thing, take away my level, doesn't detect. 1 level, doesn't detect. 2 levels, doesn't detect. 3 levels, detects. And then here's the score argument. It's similar to the level argument, but this is maximum score. Score test equals 5. So if I give myself 1 in the test score, 2 in the test score, or 3 in the test score, it detects all of that. Score test minimum equals 3, so it detects that too. With 2 in the test score, none. 1 in the test score, none. With 0 in the test score, still none. Now here's the mode selector. Mode equals 0. And that's referring to game mode. If I go into game mode, 0, also known as survival mode, it will detect. If I go into creative mode, it doesn't detect. This is RY and RYM, which refers to this one right here, the horizontal head position. So this one selects any players with the RY between 170 and negative 170. Meaning if I have it at a number like negative 174 when it's checked, positive 174 doesn't detect until they get it between 170 and negative 170. Same are the RX and RXM. But this controls the vertical head position, like up and down. You see if it's within 20 or negative 20. If it's within 20 and negative 20, it's 6 right now, it detects. It's 6D, it doesn't detect. Here's tag. This doesn't refer to MBT tags, but this more refers to scoreboard tags. So if I tag myself with the tag of test, if I add the tag, then it will, if I remove the tag, it will not detect me. And then the last one is team. If I add a team called test, it still doesn't detect me. But if I join the team, then it will detect me. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to know about selectors. They're really complicated once you get more advanced. And if you're wondering why I used a minecart with command block here for the say at S, is because if I use a command block, since command blocks are blocks and not entities, it will not find anything to say. So, just a little thing there. So, if you did enjoy this video, you can leave a like. And if you want more beginner command block tutorials, where I explain some little stuff about command blocks, then drop a like on this video, and then I'll make sure to do more of these. And also, if there's any part of selectors I missed, please comment down below, and I may make a follow-up video if there's enough of them. And also, while you're there, comment down below what kinds of videos you want me to make. If you want me to play more server mini games, if you want me to do more command block videos like this, if you want me to do more episodes of the Let's Play, if you want me to start a modded Let's Play, just leave it down below in the comments section. And the most upvoted comment, I'll start a series on, or continue the series on more. So anyway, with that said, if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe. I make videos like this one whenever I can. And so, also, if you haven't already and you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload. Anyway, that's all for today. Bye!